Hello, my beautiful people. How you guys doing today, guys? In today's video, we'll be making Zobo, guys. Yeah, fruit juice Zobo. So these are the ingredients that we'll be using. We'll be using Zobo. Yes, you'll be wondering why she's using this Zobo. We'll be using dates, guys. This is dates. As you can see, the seed has been removed. So and washed very well, and this is clove, guys. You all know clove is very good for the body, is medicinal, guys. And secondly, banana. This is banana. Yes, this is banana, guys. And this is orange. We'll be using our orange for our zobo. It's fruit zobo. And pineapple. Guys, this fruit zobo is going to be a bomb. And next, we'll be using our cinnamon. Yes, guys, it's good to use cinnamon for your Zobo. And this is ginger. What is Zobo without ginger, guys? Come, let's get started. If you're just tuning in, welcome. Welcome to Annie's Sweet Home Treats. Guys, don't forget to watch the video to the end. Watch the video to the end, subscribe, share, and comment. Guys, stay tuned and watch this our fruit Zobo to the end, guys. Let's get started. Wash your Zobo very well. Guys, you all be wondering why is she using this kind of zobo. Yes, you see how red this zobo is, and it comes out so thick. I don't know how they do it. It's different from the guys. At this point, yeah, our zobo is ready. As you can see, all the fruit inside has been soaked and well cooked. So next we'll be sieving our zobo. You have to sieve all the fruit, the zobo. So all I have to do is to use a sieve cloth. This cloth, I use it for pap, I use it for tiger nut, if you don't have this cloth at home, you can use filter. Okay, so now I'll be adding all my blended fruit, guys. Stay back and enjoy. If you're still watching to this time, thank you so much. Don't forget to watch to the end, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. So next we have to sieve it again because of the blended fruit that was added to it. Okay, so this is it, how it all goes. See how thick this zobo is, guys. Now we'll be adding our Vivian Cola. Okay, guys, so all you have to do, pour your Vivian Cola in the plate, add a little bit of zobo, mix first. Okay, just have to do it like this. You mix it very well, stir very well, it will dissolve. Don't just add it direct. No, 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 no. Okay. So after mixing it, you turn. Yeah, this is the best way. Turn it like this so that your zobo will not change color to a very dark, like a coke color. So you can use any Vivian flavor of your choice, okay? And it's optional if you don't want to use. It's still fine, okay? Look at how our juicy and fruit zobo look. Guys, will you give it a try? Give it a try and thank me later. You watching to this time, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like. So now guys, we'll be testing our zobo, our fruit zobo. Guys, make your zobo this way. This zobo comes out very good and very tasty. You're going to thank me later. Thanks for watching. Bye guys. Enjoy. I'm going to drop the description below in my box. Bye, guys. Enjoy.